COVID-19 has claimed the lives of more than 100 people in Monroe County alone. The pain of their loss exacerbated by the need to physically separate. But families are finding ways to connect when they need it the most. As 13 WHAM's Jane Chaco reports, nurses are playing a pivotal role in helping to make that happen. Jane?
The Baxter family of Fairport couldn't be with patriarch George Baxter while he was in the hospital. Instead, they were able to say their last goodbyes with the help of Unity Hospital staff. The last time the Baxter family was together was in March during a ski trip to Vermont. Later that month, George Baxter was admitted to Unity Hospital with pneumonia, testing positive for COVID-19. His wife and children couldn't visit because they were under quarantine.
As we knew we were getting to the end, we knew we couldn't come in. We didn't feel like we wanted to wait till the end of our quarantine to have an option to have one person come in at a time.
Nurses in palliative care arrange video calls and FaceTime visits for the family. George's son, Steve, says the staff at Unity Hospital made their heartbreaking situation more bearable.
Throughout the process, made a huge difference to us is how quickly we were able to get a nurse on the phone when we called or to get updates from the doctors.
Lori DeLong, George's daughter, says her dad was an active guy who loved to ski and watch NASCAR. She says his nurse, Sarah Hallett, was able to give him that experience one more time.
She was actually able to run like an old race in his room, which really is touching, was really important, like something so special for us to have that option, making a difficult situation a lot better.
While the Baxter family continues to grieve and the country slowly begins to reopen, they want to remind everyone of the seriousness of the virus.
I think everyone needs to go slowly from now on, all of the public, and not jump into anything too soon, because this could return, and it's a very, very difficult situation.
George was 81 when he passed. The family was able to gather for a funeral service limited to immediate family only. Reporting live, I'm Jane Chaco, 13 WHAM News.